I'm happy I'm here in this big club. I remember, I think, year 2004, I dado pršo in Champions League, so I remember on that moments, and it's first thing what's coming to my mind when somebody say Monaco. I think I can help this team that make good results like last year, or I hope better results. I know the teams. I know some players from Monaco, also Pašalić, because it's my teammate from national team. We spoke a little bit, and I'm waiting Monday and starts with training. We are good friends, and he also gave me some advice to came here that everything is fine, everything is good, and I hope this season will be good for me.